Yo, Kem Cho guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? Ta-da! Okay, yes, I did end up shopping a lot, but I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So I'll share my experience with you guys. As soon as we entered the store, our temperatures were checked. We were fully sanitized and even we were supposed to wear a mask throughout the shopping process. Also, when I entered the store, there were few people like kids who recognized me and came up to me and took pictures with me, and I just want to say that I love it and love it when you guys come up to me, talk to me or take pictures with me. I just love it and I love you guys. So yeah, other than that, since trial rooms were shut, we were not allowed to try anything. We were just supposed to pick whatever we like and your luck if everything fits you well. So yeah, even I haven't tried anything yet because I thought I would try it with you guys and share my reviews. So yeah, I'm so excited. Also lately I've noticed that my style is kind of evolving and transitioning. I've literally picked pieces that I don't have in my wardrobe, like something very different which is not so me till now. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the haul video. So first up is this tweed jacket that I got, and I kinda like the embroidery detailing that it has. I think ye Mumbai weather ke liye perfect hai, and the style is also, you know, very fall wintry types, and I think I got it for 790 rupees. So I think 790 में तो अच्छा ही है, and it's kind of simple and classy, so yeah, I like it. Second up is this long blazer. I love the color of this, and first of all मेरे पास कोई long blazer में ऐसा color नहीं है. Second, this was in my size, so I was like, I have to take this. And the original price of this blazer is 4990 and I got it for 1190, which is not bad, I think, because fabric quality is also good and there are so many ways I can style this. The next category of products are tops, and look at this one. This is so cute. First of all, ruching and the puff sleeves that it has are both in right now, and the color, I don't have a color like this. I don't have this, you know, detailed fancy crop top, so I was like, I have to take this.
Yeah, मैं तो वैसे हर चीज देख के यही बोल रही थी कि I have to take this, but never mind.
Yeah. Also, after I tried this, I realized that इसके जो sleeves है काफी बार drop हो रहे थे, but it's cute, so I'll fix it because it's cute. So yeah. Next top is this plain one. The fabric itself has pleated texture and a shine to it, which I really like, and it is, you know, very loose, free kind of top. So whenever I want to feel comfortable, I'll just wear this because it feels good. Next up is this line art t-shirt, and I think they look very artsy and different, and I really love the fabric of this. The fabric of this is so good. I had also seen many people create their own designs with embroidery, which is so creative, and I love how it looks. It looks really very artistic. And I've worn it with these leather pants, and to be honest, I really love everything about it. The color, the finishing, the quality, everything. And I didn't expect the fitting to be so good, though it was my size. But leather pants, you know, don't really fit you well, but this one fits me like heaven. I just love how it's looking on me. I had also seen this online when their sale was declared on the website, but the sizes were just going out of stock. There were also color options, but I think I love this color and I don't have anything like this, so I'm very happy with this one. The next category of products that I took were skirts, and I almost picked 4 to 5 skirts. I think the range of all the skirts after discount was 590 if I'm not wrong. Almost all, yeah. So the first one is this skirt, and to be honest, I don't know why I picked it. It just caught my eye and I was like, chalo theek hai, ye le leti hu. And I'm not sure how it's looking on me. Like, it's not bad, but I'm not sure how it's looking on me. आप लोग बताओ कैसा लग रहा है, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो हाउ इट्स लुकिंग ऑन मी. बाकी तो अच्छा है. एक दो बार तो पहनी लूँगी आई थिंक. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ दिस निटेड लॉन्ग स्कर्ट. एंड सच बताओ तो मुझे काफ़ी टाइम से चाहिए था ऐसा कोई स्कर्ट, और मैंने शीन पे भी सर्च किया था लाइक बिफोर इट वॉज बैंड इन इंडिया. एंड इन द सेम रेंज देयर वर फ्यू स्कर्ट्स, but I wasn't quite sure about the quality. But I must say the quality of this one is so good. You know, I think full length skirts like this really make you look like a boss lady and a classy woman. So yeah, I like this and I wanted it from so long. So I'm happy that I got it. Another one is this green mini skirt, and I think this is, you know, very young and playful, and sneakers पहन लो, crop top डाल दो and you look very cute and all. And I love the fitting of this. इसका fitting is like perfect for me. So yeah, I love this one also. Next is this mesh layered skirt, and the best part of it is so free flowing, and I can't wait to style this because I can style it in a traditional way also and in a western way also. There are so many ways to style this and wear this. And another thing that it is very comfortable. I can go from day to night in this, and because it feels like you've not worn anything. It is so loose and nice, and fabric is also good. So yeah, I love this one. Rajvi, nice choice. The last skirt that I took was this white skirt, and I didn't really have a white skirt and I really wanted one, and now I think it is a must have. I think it's a little bit loose for me from the waist, जो मुझे शायद alter कराना पड़ सकता है. Rest, I love the little gathering that it has. It is really making it look stylish and nice. So yeah, I love this one. Another category of products I took were dresses, and the first one is this golden full length dress. So first of all, I think the style of it is very Victorian type, because you know those puffy sleeves, इतने से puffy sleeves जो होते हैं. Yeah, even the belt of it is too broad. So I was thinking the belt of it is too broad, तो मैं इसको 2 pieces में convert कर दूँ, या तो मैं alter कर दूँ, I don't know. Because I think it's not looking nice that way on me. I will just use it more if I turn it into a 2 pieces or something. But other than that, the fabric of it is really good. It has this shine, metallic shine on it, which I think will look good in some events or somewhere. So it's not that bad. My Insta fam knows that हम कुछ तो जुगाड़ कर ही लेंगे. How cute is this dress, and it's making me look all dolled up. So when I saw this dress, I got all excited and I was like, wow, I have to take this, yay. I got very happy. But later now when I was trying this dress, I realized that it has this pen marks, like so. In short, this is a defect piece, और इसमें नीचे भी काफ़ी थोड़े छोटे छोटे दाग हैं. But I really love this one. I don't want to return this. So let's see if wash करके या पता नहीं कैसे तो ये निकल जाए, and I can wear this because it's so cute. I love the detailing that it has. The sleeves, the bustier area, the pleats, everything. It is all so good and chic. I love it. Last dress is the steel full length dress. I liked it at the very first moment I saw it. I was like, wow, this is gonna look good on me. I like the color, I like the detailing, I like everything about it. So yeah. So that's it for the products that I've tried on. And other than these, there are 2 more dresses that I took. So one wasn't on sale, but I liked the style of it, so I took it. And then when I cross-checked, I realized that it was a little bit torn from behind and it was a defective piece. So I have to return. Another one was this yellow full length dress. So when I bought it, तभी I wasn't sure about it. So लेने के बाद जो रिग्रेट होता है ना कि यार ये नहीं लेना चाहिए था, वैसी वाली फीलिंग है. सो आई एम गोना रिटर्न इट बिकॉज वो पहन के आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट गोना लुक हल्दी बिकॉज इट्स फुल येलो एंड द फैब्रिक ऑल्सो इज वेरी क्रम्पली. सो वो 2 चीज़ मैं रिटर्न करने वाली हूँ. So managed to get my hands on these pretty footwears. I think these quilt flats are really aesthetic and ready to wear. Another one are these heels that I really love the color and the style of it. And yeah, I love them both. Also we went to men's section to shop something for my brother and my dad. So first of all जितना variety in sale women में था उतना men में नहीं था. Like almost everything was just sold out. कुछ इतना था ही नहीं. So for men we took 2 hoodies जो मैंने already फोटोज क्लिक करके डाल दिए हैं और पहन भी लिया है ये दोनों को. मतलब मैंने 15-20 चीजें जो मेरे लिए ली है उसमें से अभी तक कुछ नहीं पहना. बट मेरे भाई ने जो 5 चीजें ली उसमें से मैंने 2 चीजें ऑलरेडी पहन ली, फोटोज भी खींच लिए. चलता है ना. Other than that, we took 2 shirts and 1 shirt jacket. So first of all, the price range after sale also was 990, 1200 for men, which is quite okay, like not bad. ठीक है. Rest I think my brother was happy after, like not really happy because उसके पहले तो मैंने पहन लिया, but never mind. So that's it for today's haul video. I know this video came a little too late, but at least after watching this video you know to miss or not to miss Zara's sale next time. Also let me know which of my purchase was your favorite, and thank you guys for being here and watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed my video, do shower some love by liking, commenting, subscribing और जो भी हो सके. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!